Good night. Today I want to share the analysis and comparison between two software what are used for production planning. One of the problems is identification in problem activity. The first is software. What is an ERP program characterizes the main interconnection models to form an integral system. The second is SAP ERP and RP. What is program characterizes the its license and each software is is a leading multinational company in the area of software solutions for business managers and Latin America. Its price approximate value of the 200 million uh, Meanwhile, SAP is the tech leader in the enterprise application software field, competitive of the health science and in the health industrials run at with this and praise the SAP is the SAP Business One professional user listen have an outer cost of those 2 millions 7 USD. These items in, in both cases are the integrity and functionality used and the processor. Additionally, there is the difference between the two and if the cost for implementation system. The first one with a sign claiming integrate called the new the first of the listen 2 seconds. To this the conclusion, the comparing power of these to implement the good efficient or minimum use of an expression of Internet, where this causes the decision-making and administration of goods. That is why our field, the market, is trying of arranging to a unified and digital marketing mind the change. It takes into account the people digital tools. Science is the science is life. Proceeding to observe the pulse from one to another is can vary as well as at operation and application. Everything is related to the type of company and industry to be managed.